Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. It's never fun getting sick. Today I'm sharing my tried and true natural home remedy for colds, flu and cough. This ginger lemon honey tea actually works, and not just as a home remedy for a sore throat. Designed to soothe plus heal, these ingredients will actually shorten the life of your cold. All you need is 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 lemon juice. In a small pot, add water bring to a boil and gently simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Piece fresh ginger or more to taste. Peeled and coarsely chopped. Pour the ginger tea through a strainer into a mug. Add honey and lemon. Tea is rich in protective antioxidants, and the warmth helps soothe sore throats and loosen congestion. Raw honey is also an antioxidant, as well as antimicrobial, antiviral, antifungal, and full of good enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. Honey helps soothe sore throats and makes the tea taste good. If you can find raw honey, at least try to use unpasteurized honey, as the high heat from pasteurization will destroy its nutrients. Remember that babies under 1 year should not have honey due to the small chance of infant botulism. Ginger has strong anti-inflammatory properties, helps reduce nausea, and boosts the immune system. Lemons are high in vitamin C and help loosen congestion. Ginger is teeming with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.